Hi there! Today let's talk about engineer drainage pump. What functions are you concerning? Appearance, design, basic configuration, or user-friendly installation after sale? Let's listen to the brief introduction to the model QL-11 engineer drainage pump from a Chinese supplier's perspective. Let's go!
Today, our topic is this QL-11 engineer drainage pumper. It adopts double floating bore design with level meter. Water inlet and outlet is 525 mm with soft piper. Four corners are equipped with hanging opening, and the side hanging is available also. Water storage box is put in filter net, which stops in foreign matter efficiently. This drainage pumper has automatic start-stop function. There is water that can start working, and vice versa. The lifting hand is less than 1.2 meters. We suggest using below 1 meter. We promise the quality warranty time is 3 years.